Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone. What's up everybody? So in this video I'm going to show you the Indian TikTok that is Mitron, in the name of Mitron, and I'm going to show you how to use this application. You can see here this is the application. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Mitron application. So without wasting time, please hit the subscribe button and let's go forward for the video. So let's go to Mitron here. So what is Mitron? Actually, Mitron is an application that launched by Indian like TikTok. So guys, you can see here. This is the things. It's exact like TikTok. So guys, what do you have to? What are the features? Let's check it out here. So guys, let's go to this option. You can see here. Let's go to this profile option here. So after going to profile option, let's check it out what are the features. So let's try to see what is this. Okay, this is nothing. So now let's try to see on this three dot. You can see here, so just click on the three dot and then you will click on edit profile. So now guys, after clicking on edit profile, let's check it out what are the features that provide by Mitron. It's an Indian TikTok that has been launched by an Indian software engineer. I don't know why it is taking a long time, but let's wait. So guys, after opening this, you can see here you can change the name here, and also you can change the gender, and you can write your bio here. So guys, it's exactly like TikTok, but I hope the more features will be coming on the future days. So let's wait and see what are the features, what are the cool features that will be provided by this application in the near future. So guys, let's check it out. What are the videos feature? You can see on the middle, tap on the middle screen, and then let's see what are the features. So let me click on random videos here. It's like a TikTok only. So you can add a sound also here. You can see here you can add the sound here. So now it's something cool. So guys, it's exact like a TikTok. Guys, you can download it from Google Play Store, and thank you so much for watching.